Hey everybody, Elliot Cribbs with MarineMax in Savannah, Georgia. This is a brand new all-white Yamaha 220 fish sport. Gonna give you a quick run through on it today. This boat comes equipped with a nice live well in the back of the boat, see-through lid, really nice feature, keep your baits alive while you're fishing. A reversible seat in the leaning post, so when you're driving, you can be leaning on it, looking out the front of the boat. And then you just simply push it forward and it flips around so you can look out the back. As we look at the helm, dual Yamaha throttles, stereo, 2 charging ports, the cruise assist, which is like a cruise control for when you're pulling a tube. You can set your cruising speed to where you're not having to constantly adjust the throttles. Phone charger. This screen is for your gauges, your engine temperature, and it will also tell you the depth. And then Ritchie compass, your switch panel. As we move to the bow of the boat, plenty of storage on these boats. There's a piece that slides in between the 2 seats, creating a nice platform. There's also storage underneath both of these compartments. 2 speakers, plenty of cup holders on this boat too. The front seat in front of the console also has a latch. Open it up and it gives you a very nice storage space. Inside the boat, access to your wiring as well. Really nice feature. Rod storage on both sides under the gunnel. This is a great family fishing boat and also cruising boat for pulling people on the tubes and whatnot. If you have any more questions, give us a call at 912-897-9881.